One of my favorite glute stretches is called a figure four. So for a figure four, it's a balancing stretch, kind of fun. So you start on one leg, you're gonna lift the other leg, cross it, and put your ankle right at the top of your knee, just above the knee, not on it, and sit into the stretch. You'll really start to feel that through your glutes. So keep your core tight and balance there, holding it. And you lift up, get a good footing on the other side, cross over the top, and sit back into it, really feeling that through your glute. All right, that is a figure four glute stretch.